Work from anywhere, the ultimate guide to the digital nomad lifestyle. Tired of the fluorescent-lit office grind? Do cubicles make you claustrophobic and water cooler gossip give you hives? Then ditch the desk chair and embrace the digital nomad life. This ain't your grandma's retirement plan. It's about trading spreadsheets for surfboards, meetings for marchés, and rush hour for, well, wherever you fancy. Imagine this: sunrise yoga on a Bali beach, your laptop balanced precariously on a coconut. Let's hope for good Wi-Fi. Answering emails from a Parisian cafe, croissant crumbs decorating your keyboard like punctuation. Cranking out code in a bustling Thai night market, fueled by spicy noodles and the hypnotic hum of tuk-tuks. This isn't just a pipe dream, folks. It's a reality for thousands of people around the world who have ditched the 9-to-5 and embraced the freedom and flexibility of the digital nomad lifestyle. But wait, before you pack your bags and book that one-way ticket, let's be real. It's not all piña coladas and sunsets. There'll be visa headaches, dodgy Wi-Fi, and the occasional bout of loneliness that even the most breathtaking view can't cure. You gotta hustle. Forget Netflix binges and afternoon naps. You're your own boss, which means you gotta be disciplined and self-motivated. In other words, no boss to yell at you, but also no one to kick your butt when you're procrastinating. It's not for everyone. Some folks crave the structure and social interaction of an office. Others, well, let's just say their idea of remote work involves the couch and a bag of chips. But if you're up for the challenge, the rewards are epic. Travel the world without blowing your budget. You'll be living like a local, not a tourist, and those cheap street eats can't be beat. Although, let's be honest, you'll probably splurge on that fancy rooftop dinner with a view. Design your ideal workday. Sleep in? Sure. Work from a hammock? Why not? As long as you meet your deadlines, your boss, as known as you, is pretty chill. Boost your creativity and well-being. New experiences, fresh air, and the freedom to explore. It's like a never-ending vacation for your mind, body, and soul. So, are you ready to ditch the cubicle and become a digital nomad? This video will be your ultimate guide, packed with tips and tricks to help you navigate the world of remote work, from finding the best laptop-friendly cafes to mastering the art of the international power adapter. Seriously, those things are a nightmare. Remember, the digital nomad life isn't just about work, it's about embracing adventure, living life on your own terms, and proving that the best office view isn't a wall, it's the world. Now, go forth and conquer, and don't forget to send us postcards or at least Instagram pics. If you're still not convinced, just remember this wise quote from some dude named Mark Twain. Travel is fatal to prejudice, bigotry, and narrow-mindedness. So, pack your bags and open your mind. The world is waiting.